Yo, what up, guys? Frankie Type Bar here from Statement in the Cherry Hill Mall. And today,
What's going on, guys? It's Tom from Statement. Today we're going to be reviewing the Off-White Jordan 5 that's unreleased. All right, guys, today we got the unreleased Off-White Jordan 5s. We got them from our friends over at Endless Supply. Oh, these ain't right. What did they do to us? The heck?
good shoe.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That's what we ordered. Starting out with the box, it's the same exact box as the last Jordan 5s. It's got holes all over it, just like the shoe itself. The official colorway is Sail, Fire Red, and Black. Moving on to inside the box, we have this Off-White branded plastic that is all over, Jordan logo on the top, Off-White branding all over it. Same as the last Jordan 5. Getting to the shoe itself, it's Sail all over. We have a black midsole with hits of Fire Red on the side, and it's the 23 as well. You have the Nike Air on the back, and on the side, we have the Off-White branding along with the holes. Moving on to the eyelets, we have some type of yellow color to it. It's like a translucent yellow, followed with a translucent yellow zip tie, unlike the black one on the last pair. So just like the original Fire Red 5, that's what this takes after. You can see the silver tongue that's deconstructed with the hole. Ooh, Jesus Christ, God. Billy, you're fired. All right, so we have this Fire Red 5 that released earlier this year. You can see slight different changes. There's no 23 on this pair. But if you look, the colorway is exactly the same, except you have this Sail colorway mesh. It's like a yellowish mesh that covers the entire shoe. When Virgil was designing these, he wanted to give it that cooked kind of vintage look. So that's why on the bottom, if you notice comparing them, one is very yellow and the other one's clear. Now, I don't know if you've had a pair of these before. Any Jordan 5 like this, when you wear them for a while, the entire sole starts to yellow. That's why they look like this. Same thing with the mesh on the side. It gives it that vintage, worn look, and it comes like that straight from the factory. Diving deeper into the shoe, we have Sail shoelaces. Obviously, that's typical Off-White branding. It's what they're known for. So moving up from the laces, we have this lace locking system. It's this aged looking yellow. It's supposed to fit the entire shoe. And we have this red lace lock that holds your shoes together. I personally don't like the lace locks on the Jordan 5s. I usually take them off because I feel like they just don't fit the shoe as right. Moving on to the tongue, we have this silver 3M tongue. If you take a picture of it, it glows. It's pretty cool. We have a red Jumpman on it. And on the back, we have the Air Jordan upside down branding. So surrounding the tongue is some exposed foam, like typical Off-Whites. The entire sock lining is exposed with foam. This is common on the Air Jordan 1 and some of the other Off-White models. Moving on from the exposed foam on the sock liner, we have a black insole with some red Nike Air branding on the inside. There is no Off-White branding on the insole whatsoever, unlike the original 10 collection. And if you look at the right shoe, we have some Fire Red laces along with some classic black. Going back to these translucent windows on the side here, you could actually cut them out. And that allows you to customize your game by changing up different sock styles, different colorways. That way you can really spice it up with your outfit. Just like how this Jordan 5 right here is based off the Fire Red right here. The original Jordan 5 Off-White was based off Virgil's first Jordan 5, the Metallic 5s. So my personal opinion on these, I think the colorway is great. I think it's a great sneaker that everyone should probably have in their collection, but me personally, I don't think I'm gonna wear these. I myself already have the original black pair, and for some reason, I just think it's a lot cleaner. This, I know I'm gonna get them dirty. There's that mesh that's on it with white under it. I know those are gonna get stained easily. So in my opinion, this won't be a toe for me. So retail on these will be $225, but good luck paying that. These, as far as we know right now, is gonna be released on sneakers only. Some tier 0 stores might get them, like Kith, Undefeated, but good luck even trying to win those. I mean, we had to pay a lot to get this pair early, just how it is. These were originally set to release on October 24th, but recently they got pushed back. So as far as we know, they should be dropping in December, but honestly, who knows at this point? This shoe's been rumored to come out since, I would say, July of last year, and we're still waiting for them to drop. All right, guys, this is gonna wrap it up for the unreleased Jordan. What are you still doing down there? Get up.
Can I have my seat, man? Take it. Jesus, thank you. So that's a wrap for the review, guys. Unfortunately, these are not my size. These are size 9, so we're gonna have to give these to Billy so we can get some on foots with it. So anyway, guys, that's a wrap for the Off-White Air Jordan 5 unreleased, set to release in December. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and do me a favor, go comment below which one's better, this or the original 5.